Hello and welcome to WKP. Today we're going to be tracking Category 5 Hurricane Iota, which has winds right now of 160 miles per hour and is about to make landfall on land. We're going to be going over all of Iota right now. So let's start off with the aircraft recon. And as you can see, we are getting winds in the center of Iota, probably around strong Category 4 hurricane strength. They're not even in the strongest part of the storm. Once they enter this northern part of the storm, they'll be able to get the strongest winds. That's where the strongest winds were the last time. So that's where we'll be able to expect to see those Category 5 hurricane force winds if there is still that amount of winds, which I think there are. So once they enter this area of the storm right around here, that is when we'll start seeing those really strong winds start popping up. Here is the official track for Iota, and as you can see, major hurricane on landfall, likely still a Category 5 is what we're going to be seeing on in landfall, and Iota is going to last as a tropical storm well into land in Honduras and then possibly re-enter into the Pacific Ocean. If this were to happen, I would definitely expect some further intensification once again, but luckily no more land effects. As far as land effects, we're going to be seeing a lot of land effects. As you can see, a 90% chance of tropical storm force winds well into Honduras and parts of Nicaragua. We also have a quite high chance of tropical storm force winds well inland in Honduras and Nicaragua both. So we're definitely going to be seeing some strong winds. And the key messages from the National Hurricane Center, which are really important to listen to, are also expecting major flash flooding. And this will likely be exacerbated, of course, by Eta that was recently there. So Iota is going to bring heavy rainfall and flash flooding. Also, extreme life-threatening winds and storm surge are expected along portions of the coast of northeastern Nicaragua, where hurricane warning is in effect. So we need to keep an eye out on this storm. Here are all the model tracks. As you can see, it's more than likely we'll be seeing Iota re-enter out into the Pacific Ocean, where some further re-intensification is possible. The intensity guidance is showing some further strengthening possible with Iota, and then once Iota makes landfall, a quick drop, very quick drop down below tropical storm force likely. Let's go over what the HWRF model, which is probably the most accurate model as far as intensity goes, we have right now. Let's go over that model right now. So the HWRF is thinking that we will see a little bit of weakening, actually, before land, getting around to 924 millibars, which is still around Category 5, maybe strong Category 4 strength on landfall, and then quickly weakening, re-entering over the Pacific, and possibly we could start seeing just a little bit of re-intensification, which I think is quite likely. Stay tuned for more updates and check out my website, link in the description. I will be posting more updates on that. Thank you for watching. This has been WKP.